Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. This video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's the MTN 8. Orlando Pirates 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. Orlando Pirates wins. I'm joined by Kos.
Sure, Tibo. I mean, I'm just going to disclose the secret. What? Usmelebele uqoka imask uMessi kahle kahle. Oh! That's it, Brian. But one thing that I'm glad, things are going back to normal. Yeah. Next week Wednesday, siyoqala ukuhleka futhi Chiefs uyela back to normal. Coach Wile bayodliwa.
Nabi's back.
Nabi's back. We're gonna be heavy. That's it, bro.
Women of the match
Usmelebele, bro.
Sure.
Yeah.
Ukadweso uzobakhona next week.
Angithembi mfethu. Azobaphushile mfethu. Yeah. No, hayi akasahambe loyo nje akahambe layo.
Sharp. Pasna.